Welcome back to MYK Reviews. The 2025 Toyota Camry continues to be one of the most popular midsize sedans, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. With a sleek exterior, refined interior, and a host of advanced features, the 2025 Camry continues to deliver a reliable and comfortable driving experience for a wide range of drivers. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Camry maintains its sleek, modern look, with clean lines and an aggressive stance. The front features a bold grille with angular headlights, giving the car a sophisticated yet sporty presence. The car's sculpted sides and rear, highlighted by a sharp rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips, enhance its dynamic appeal. The 2025 Camry is available in multiple trim levels, including a sporty XSE trim, offering an array of exterior color options, including new hues to suit various preferences. Inside, the 2025 Camry impresses with a high-quality, spacious cabin. Premium materials such as soft-touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and metallic accents provide an upscale feel. The redesigned dashboard hosts a large touchscreen display, which serves as the center for Toyota's Entune 3.0 infotainment system. The Camry is designed for comfort, with supportive seats and a user-friendly layout. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Camry offers multiple engine options to cater to various driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, which strikes a balance between power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 301 horsepower, is available in higher trims, delivering a more spirited driving experience. The Camry's handling is agile and responsive, offering a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. Its adaptive suspension system, available on certain trims, allows for a smooth ride without sacrificing cornering stability. The 2025 Toyota Camry also excels in technology and safety. The Entune 3.0 system is accompanied by available features like a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and a premium JBL audio system, ensuring that drivers and passengers enjoy a connected and entertaining ride. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5+ suite of advanced safety features comes standard on all trims. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Toyota Camry remains impressive. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine achieves an estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway, while the V6 engine provides a solid 22 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. These figures are competitive for the mid-size sedan class, offering an excellent balance of power and fuel savings. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Camry starts at around $26,000 for the base model, with higher trims and options reaching up to $35,000 or more. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Camry is a well-rounded mid-size sedan that continues to meet the needs of a wide variety of drivers. Whether for daily commuting or long road trips, the 2025 Camry provides a smooth, enjoyable driving experience.